The Active Directory Administrative Center is the most powerful administrative interface for managing your ADDS environment. In this demonstration, you will see how to navigate within the Active Directory Administrative Center. Perform an administrative task within the Active Directory Administrative Center. Create objects. You view all object attributes. Use the Windows PowerShell History Viewer in the Active Directory Administrative Center. Demonstration steps. Navigate within the Active Directory Administrative Center. 1. On LON, DC1. Open the Active Directory Administrative Center. 2. In the navigation pane, select a datum, local, select Dynamic Access Control, and then select Global Search. 3. In the navigation pane, switch to the tree view, and then expand to datum.com. Perform an administrative task within the Active Directory Administrative Center. 1. Go to the Overview view. 2. Reset the password for a datum/atom to POF55W.RD so that the user does not have to change the password at the next sign-in. 3. Use the Global Search section to find any objects that match the LON search string. Create an object. Create a new computer object named LON-CL4 in the Computers container. View all object attributes. 1. Open the Properties page for LON-CL4, scroll down to the Extensions section, and then click the Attribute Editor tab. 2. View the object's ADDS attributes. Use the Windows PowerShell History Viewer. 1. Open the Windows PowerShell History pane. 2. View the Windows PowerShell command that you used to perform the most recent task. 3. On LON, DC1, close all open windows.